Welcome to James Hope College, where international standard is a lifestyle.
You see the equations.
At James Hope College, we are the Archimedes.
We are a relatively new school on the educational landscape. We consistently raise the bar in terms of academic achievement and co-curricular activity at both national and international level. Evidence of this is the perfect 100% score our students achieved in the Cambridge International Education Checkpoint examinations. We are a BSO accredited and certified school, and we are certified to run the WIAC and IGCSE examinations. James Hope College was featured on the CNN website for its contribution to zero plastics, which would contribute to safer oceans.
You see dotted lines and complexities.
At James Hope College, we are the Mozart.
You see daunting tasks.
At James Hope College, we are the champions and we bring home the accolades.
In academics, James Hope College offers state-of-the-art facilities and knowledgeable tutors. We have produced award winners and best scores in the BEC and 100% perfect scores in the Cambridge Checkpoint examinations for 2018, improving our record year on year. We ace in competitions such as ISEN Preferred Camp and the Nigerian Society of Engineers Quiz Competition, Delta State Chapter.
James Hope College is also in partnership with the Microsoft Imagine Academy for improved literacy. Right from the inception, the science results in Cambridge Checkpoint examination has remained at 100%. This is a testimony of our drive to continually maintain excellence in science and ICT.
James Hope College is equipped with state-of-the-art academic and boarding facilities and curriculum, as well as extensive co-curricular activities.
James Hope College is on a mission to provide world-class education at a subsidized rate. Thanks to the education endowment courtesy of Mr. Jim Ovia, James Hope College offers excellent education at a subsidized rate. The scholarship process is very transparent and fair, hinged primarily on the academic merit of the applicants.
Admission into James Hope College is highly sought after because of our international standards in both academic and co-curricular activities. Admissions runs during the last quarter of the year, and entrance examinations take place during the first few weeks in the new year.
To learn more about our college,
visit www.jameshopecollege.edu.ng.
James Hope College, because your child deserves the best.